Welcome back, guys. In today's video, my plan was to work on the roll cage, which is the one you see in front of you. It's a Jag's roll cage. A little backstory: this roll cage was lost in the mail by FedEx, so it took a month and a half before I even got the roll cage. So now that I have it, today I'm gonna try to work on that. But first things first, check this out. This is my, kind of hard to see, but my 2016 Toyota Tacoma. So quick tip, when you're working on a car and you're grinding metal, you might want to close the garage or cover up your car, because this is what happened. The little metal dust or flakes end up burning a little bit to the paint and rusting. So I'm gonna work on that today. I'm gonna use some clay bar and hopefully it comes out. Yep. I started working on some templates for the base, so I'm gonna do the base right there and right there, and then I'm gonna make another plate for this part, that we can all tie together. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I don't know if you guys could see that, but it's taking away the little rust areas. Now this thing was all over my hood. Some more lubrication on there. See that? Got a little bit more work to do, but it definitely took it out. So now I gotta do the rest of the hood. Alright, so I'm pretty much done with the clay bar, and overall it looks pretty good. There may be a little bit in there, but majority of it's all gone. So you can see it, but it's smooth too. So, and check this out. Look at that. Alright, so back to the roll cage. I'm working on the base plate. It is very tight back here. There's not very much space, but yeah, working on the base plate. It's a pain in the butt, but see if you guys can see. That's kind of what we have right now, and yeah. All right, we're gonna start tacking this thing on. right. Alright, so I'm done with one side with the base plate. Pretty happy of how it came out. Now I gotta do the other side. Alright, now I have both sides of the base welded. I'm gonna start doing the plate for the strut tower. I'll show you. So those are the plates that I'm gonna be using for the strut tower, which is gonna tie into the roll cage. I already had him cut. I just gotta clean them up and then I'll start welding them. Yep, not bad. Alright, I think that's gonna wrap it up for me today. I'm pretty happy of how everything turned out, considering I've never built a roll cage before. So make sure you take your time, make templates out of cardboards. That'll save a lot of material, as well as fixing wrong cuts and such. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with getting the base plates done, as well as the strut tower plates. And next week I'll try to wrap it up. I'll finish the main hoop and the rest of the bars. Yeah, we'll see what happens. See you next time.